Top 10 Excavator Companies in Albania. Agrican sh.p.k. One of Albania's leading construction equipment suppliers. Offers a wide range of excavators, CAT, JCB, Komatsu. Known for fast service and spare parts availability. Inter-Albanian Construction Company provides heavy machinery for rent and sale. Strong focus on excavator fleets for roadwork and infrastructure. ALBSHPK Construction. Operates modern hydraulic excavators and machinery. Trusted for both private and public sector projects. Bagri sh.p.k. Specializes in renting excavators and other earth-moving equipment. Popular among small and mid-sized contractors. Top Invest Group. Supplies and leases top-quality excavators. Volvo, Hitachi. Noted for clean and well-maintained machines. Durrës Contractors. Based in the Durrës region, provides excavator rentals and services. Active in road, drainage, and foundation works. Scotrans, Albania. Offers CAT and JCB excavators for short and long-term hire. Strong transport and logistic support included. Albascan sh.a. Known for quality services in heavy equipment and engineering. Often involved in urban excavation and utility work. Diwali Corporation Construction Division. Owns a strong fleet of modern excavators. Focuses on national infrastructure and hydropower projects. Castrati Construction. Large project execution firm with access to high-end excavators. Performs deep digging, rock breaking, and bulk excavation. Thank you for your watching my video. Don't forget subscribe my channel for more new videos. See you next video. Bye bye.